Apple's upcoming iPhone 17 series is expected to feature a stunning new design, with a possible horizontal camera layout for improved ergonomics and visual appeal. The rear panel might combine robust materials like aluminum or glass, enhancing durability and compatibility with MagSafe accessories. Camera enhancements. For photography enthusiasts, the iPhone 17 series will emphasize major camera upgrades. A 48MP telephoto lens will offer clearer, more detailed zoomed-in shots, while the front-facing camera will get a significant boost to 24MP, perfect for high-quality selfies and video calls. Additionally, Apple is set to introduce new software features for better low-light performance, enhanced portrait mode, advanced video stabilization, and creative filters for post-processing. Dynamic Island revamp. The Dynamic Island, a unique feature from prior iPhone models, is likely to get a revamp in the iPhone 17 series. The updated version will occupy less screen space, providing a more immersive viewing experience. Expect streamlined access to important information, improved multitasking with third-party apps, and customizable options to tailor the feature to your preferences. A19 Pro chip. At the heart of the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max will be the A19 Pro chip, possibly using an advanced 2nm or 3nm process. This chipset promises excellent speed and efficiency, ensuring smooth performance for demanding tasks. Users can look forward to faster app launches, improved multitasking, enhanced graphics for gaming and video playback, and extended battery life. Connectivity and RAM. Apple is introducing its own Wi-Fi and 5G modems, designed for faster, more reliable connections with lower power consumption. This means better download/upload speeds, improved signal stability, and extended battery life. The iPhone 17 Pro series will also feature 12 GB of RAM, ensuring smooth multitasking and future-proofing the device for resource-intensive apps and updates. Conclusion. The iPhone 17 Pro and 17 Pro Max are more than just incremental updates, they represent a significant leap forward in smartphone technology. From a revamped design and unique camera enhancements to the improved Dynamic Island and groundbreaking performance features, these devices are crafted to meet the diverse needs of modern consumers. Stay tuned for all the latest updates on the iPhone 17 series, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay in the loop. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Rocket!